Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee. Face is slightly oily, but that's okay. I'm still cute. Today's video, I'm gonna attempt to make a charcuterie board. And I'm mad because I thought I had a wooden, what is it called? Like wooden chopping board here already, but I don't. So we're gonna improvise and just use this all red plate. Hopefully it still come out cute. I don't even know. But I went to Trader Joe's. I got some French baguette bread. Oh, this is not a part of it, but I got this cinnamon bun spread. Maybe I'll just put it on the side. And the reason I got that is because it came out last year seasonal. And since I just happened with Trader Joe's today when they launched all their seasonal stuff, I saw it and I said, oh, I'm going to cop. Okay. Same thing with this maple butter. Yeah, that's going to be fire. So I already know. So Trader Joe's usually has these cheese packs, but they didn't have any. They were all sold out. People have been on these charcuterie boards. So yeah, it just is what it is. But it's fine. Let me just finish showing y'all what else I got. Oh, so I got this jalapeno Monterey Jack cheese. I had to buy the block cheeses, which are more expensive, but it's okay. All of this stuff costs about $30, which I think is not bad. I got assorted crackers. I don't eat pork. I know most people do prosciutto or salami, but I don't eat pork, so I got peppered turkey breast. I got these pumpkin cranberry crisp, and I think I have these other ones here, these fig ones I bought last year that I never opened, so those should still be good. I got some organic blueberry preserves. I was looking for fig, but they were out of fig. I got this cheddar cheese. These ones are already sliced. I got the unexpected cheddar cheese. I got some cream cheese. And I got some grapes. And I also have some strawberries I already had here. So I'm gonna chop those up too and put them on the board. So let's get to making it. These are the other ones I already had at the house. These ones usually come out during Christmas time. There are the pistachio pomegranate, but they were never open, so they still should be good, hopefully. I don't know the expiration date. Yeah, but they shouldn't be stale because they're not open. So